You have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the XCover6 Pro. Looks like this. And you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN pattern or password. And then what makes it worse is that you have to reset the phone, but when you go to try to power it off, this is volume down and power. To bring up the volume menu, and you hit power off, it still requires you to enter your PIN to even power the phone off. So let's go over the easiest way to reset your phone. All right, we're lucky because the XCover6 Pro allows you to remove the battery. So you can just remove the battery. Some people say don't do it. I've never seen a problem with removing the battery without powering it off first. So it's probably powered off now. We can replace this, but it's not necessary. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Volume up, power. It's going to vibrate at us, turn the logo on, and we can let go now. And it brings up the Android recovery menu. Now what we'll want to do is we're going to want to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset right there. And take a moment to read this. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, your email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So if you've lost your Google or Gmail login and password, you will not be able to use the phone. This is only erasing the screen lock, which is a PIN, pattern, or password. So let's go ahead and hit OK with power. It asks us to confirm. It's going to wipe all user data, cannot be undone. Use the volume, click OK, and then we can wait down here for the data wipe to be complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system. And that is how you reset your Samsung XCover6 Pro if you've forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please consider leaving a super thanks. Thanks for watching.